Well, welcome to أهم and Tessa again. In today's video, we're going to share with you the Old Town Corfu, Greece.
Holding my breath and I'm ready to go. I'm falling right in and I'm ready to go. I found what I want and I know that we're on top, so I'll tap in and I'm ready to whoa. Holding my breath and I'm ready to go. I catch you laughing and I'm ready to go. You're holding the match, strike it and ignite my soul. I'll tap in and I'm ready to whoa.
Tessa, come here. I'm gonna give you 3 guesses. What do I want?
Stay tuned because we noticed all over Old Town the evil eye, and we connected to it because it's something we know from the Middle East. The first thing you see in Old Town will be tons of souvenir shops and evil eyes. The shops have any souvenir you can imagine, from clothes to decor, even kitchen stuff, absolutely any souvenir you can think of. The one souvenir we did want to find was a rubber bracelet for Adam's collection.
Of course, because I have to get a rubber band from each country I go to. That's just a thing that I like to do. And guess what? I don't take them off.
Not even for our wedding.
Nope, at all. It was hidden under my shirt.
Besides souvenirs, the one thing we love to hunt down in touristic areas anywhere is ice cream.
Tessa, come here. I'm gonna give you 3 guesses. What do I want?
Ice cream.
That's why I married you. Let's go. Just gonna walk for a little bit. We will definitely have to come back for that shop.
Yeah.
Ice cream, baby. Yeah, it's super crowded. So I'm thinking, I think it's super good. What did you get?
I got salted caramel and I got Kinder.
Ooh. Of course, ice cream is one of the things that we like to try everywhere we go.
Corfu Old Town had tons of ice cream and gelato shops, and they did not disappoint.
I would literally stay there the whole day just to eat ice cream. And that's not a joke. I would seriously do that.
One of the most crowded places in Corfu, and for good reason. It is a historical district with many sights to see. There's the old fortress, high up on its own island, right next to Old Town, followed by the newer Venetian fort inland. Venetians controlled much of Corfu for many years, which is why the buildings of Corfu look reminiscent of buildings you'd see in Italy. We also walked through the garden of the Asian Art Museum in Old Town. All of these sites cost about 4 to 6 euros to enter, but we saw advertisements for package deals to go to every single site for around 20 euros.
So we're just gonna skip what happened, because that cannot be on camera.
You mean how gross it is to pick something up off the ground and put it in your mouth?
I wasn't, I was just holding it.
You put it all
You
the
just
way
need
in
to
your
stop.
mouth.
You just need to stop.
As we left Old Town, we couldn't help but wonder why we had seen so many evil eyes. Now, I didn't grow up with the belief of evil eye, but you did.
Yes, evil eye was kind of a big thing in Egypt. I actually have always thought that evil eye is only related to the Arab world and the Middle Eastern, but it's clearly not, because Greece was also crazy about evil eye. And it's basically kind of protects you if you wear evil eye from anyone that might look at you
And be jealous.
Yeah, and be jealous in any sort of way. Like, for example, if I look at Tessa and like, oh my god, she is so gorgeous. Which she is. But when I say she's so gorgeous, sometime if like I have a bad energy that might affect her, and then something bad will happen to her. But not everybody believes in that.
Now, in the West, we have green eyes, which is about jealousy. But in this scenario of if you're the person that's jealous, in the West, we believe something bad happens to the jealous person, not the person that they're thinking of. Okay. So that's the difference between maybe green eyes and evil eye that we know.
Exactly.
We were wondering if this was just a souvenir thing because that's where we had seen all of this evil eye stuff was
white
in
and
the
blue.
shops. Yeah, and it's white and
Because
blue.
it's Greece.
Yeah, so we were just wondering if it was a sales thing or if there was really a deep belief in Greece behind it. So we asked our local friend Giannis, and he confirmed that Greeks do believe in the evil eye too.
Yes, and that was kind of shocked for me because I was like, huh, so now Greece and Egypt were like one unit.
You're not so far away, so it makes sense.
The town is also packed with restaurants and coffee shops. We sat down in one of them during sunset. The view was amazing.
In the evenings, Old Town has lots of events going too. We passed a gazebo with a band playing. Country you're from and if you also believe in the evil eye. So comment and let us know below.
Also, let us know which part of Old Corfu town is your favorite. Thank you for watching. See you next video.